Flowers in full bloom. Petunias. Clematis in bloom. Rhododendron. Knockout roses are in bloom. Cannons are starting to come up. Yucca plant. That's a peony. Yellow iris. Another rose bush blooming. Calla lily. Beautiful. Petunias. Beautiful hosta. Japanese maple tree blooming out. Hosta around the pond. The pond is down right now, working on it. And the banana tree is coming up. Five-finger fern. Look at the color. Isn't that gorgeous? These small petunias here are supposed to be annuals. I had them in this pot last summer. They are coming back. I think it's because all the leaves laid on it and gave it moisture, or gave it warmth rather. But they are coming back. Isn't that beautiful? They are coming back. I don't have to repot this one. It's two pots here on the deck that are just like this, and they are in full bloom. This is the other pot that is voluntarily coming back. This is an annual that is coming back.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower